Objective and use case. In this project, you will build an astable oscillator using the 5-speed timer IC, where a light dependent resistor, LDR, replaces one of the standard timing resistors. This substitution dynamically changes the pitch of a piezoelectric speaker depending on the amount of light hitting the sensor. This circuit is highly useful in the real world. Times it serves as an auditory sensor for light warnings, such as an alarm for a refrigerator door left open. Times it acts as a fundamental building block for simple electronic musical instruments, like a basic optical theremin. Times it provides accessibility indicators, giving distinct audio feedback for visually impaired users to know if lights are turned on or off in a room. Times it demonstrates how to convert a varying analog physical property, luminosity, into a frequency-modulated electrical signal.
Would you like to really get electronics, computer science, and AI without drowning in endless theory? At prometeo.blog, you learn by actually building and coding. Every week, we publish concise micro-tutorials, technical comparisons, and product overviews to help you decide what to buy and how to use it. But the real gem is our practical cases. Very detailed guides that take you from the bill of materials all the way to final validation. You'll design and test circuits with analog components like resistors, diodes, transistors, capacitors, inductors, relays, and transformers, and with digital logic like AND, OR, NOT, NAND gates, etc. You'll build projects with FPGA, Raspberry Pi, Arduino, ESP32 or Jetson, and even the UGV robot. Everything is step-by-step, exact commands, ready-to-run code, wiring guides, real electrical schematics, SPICE netlists with real simulation plots, troubleshooting guides, upgrades, and much more. All our posts are available in both Spanish and English. At the end of each article, you'll find a short quiz so you can quickly check what you've learned. You also get your own private Prometeo ChatGPT tutor, specialized in electronics, computer science, and AI, with precise knowledge of all the content on the blog. Point. If you really want to learn by doing, advancing one project at a time. Head over to prometeo.blog and get started today.